Hi, my name is Domas. I'm the author of Variable Icons, a plugin for Figma, and in this video I'm going to show a demo of it. The value of this plugin, it lets you quickly set up icons to control their style from a centralized place using Figma variables and variable modes. Once you jump into Figma Community, you'll find Variable Icons page where you'll find instructions, what the plugin does and what it doesn't do, as well a link to this video and the demo file you can try the plugin on. I'll be using this demo file in this video demonstration. Once you open a plugin, and if nothing is selected, you will get instructions what to do next. If you select something that is incompatible with the plugin, well, you will get a message that is incompatible. At this time, the plugin supports the same format as shared by Lucid Icons. Once you select the icons, the plugin will show you three inputs: for icon color, for stroke weight, and canvas size. Let's populate the fields. For icon color, I'll pick icon accent color. For stroke weight, I have only one option. And then for the canvas size, I'll choose icon canvas. Once I hit apply, all selected icons become components. Icon's canvas becomes auto layout, and icon's shape will be positioned as absolute. Let's look at the properties panel. All the previously selected variables will be applied to dedicated fields. The second time you use plugin, it will remember the values you previously selected, and it will suggest you as preferences. I have to be honest here. There are alternative ways how to achieve similar results without using my plugin. If you are a Lucid Icons plugin user, you might be familiar there's a setting match style of selection. If the setting is on, and the active selection contains a pre-styled icon, the newly imported icon from Lucid Icons will inherit its styles, sort of. In my case, Lucid Icons perfectly copies the values of the icon shape, however, it doesn't copy the values of the canvas itself. The icon canvas is turned into a component, however, the variables for canvas width and height weren't applied and the canvas wasn't converted into auto layout. So this is one of the reasons why I built this plugin, to have the full control of icon styling. And of course, I just wanted to learn how Figma plugin development works. I'll be releasing a second video explaining the reasoning why I used auto layout and absolute positioning. But for now, that's all. So let me in the comments, do you find this plugin useful or not? Or maybe it's missing something for your specific workflow. Thank you.